Man, you know what? It's been a long fucking time since I made one of these videos, but here we go. So this is a different block. D16 A6, 75.5mm vitara pistons. I honed the cylinder walls, which isn't anything crazy. And then this time, I went with the Speedfactory rods. So I got all that installed, had to fuck around with the rings, and then now I'm going to be running a D16 Y7 head, just because, like, look how clean this thing is. It was low-K. I'm not going to miss the VTEC, I don't think, because it's turbo, and it'll just be a little easier for me to tune without dealing with the whole VTEC thing. So I'll try that. I mean, I still have 2 other Y8 heads that I can throw on, but... Whew. Let's go, bitch! Fuck out of here with that. I missed making these YouTube videos. Today we're going to be lowering the old Civic. I've got the coilovers installed in the front, but it's winter, so I had it lifted. It's still winter, but I'm going to lower it. Hoping to get like 2 inches, I don't know, just some sort of clean fitment. It's kind of tricky with these dinky little wheels. They're like 14s or something like that. But it'll look kind of cool, and then I got some like plasti dip or something. I'm going to paint the hubcaps red, so that will be exciting. I don't think the red will match the top red, but that's okay. Oh my God! Holy shit!
Gareth. Hey guys, come here. This is my brand new Civic. As you can see, guys, right here, there is a laptop for just beauty. If you go to the front, you can see an intercooler. Bro. Yeah. Gaming laptop.
Why not Windows 11?
Yeah.
Windows 11's at least 6 more horsepower. Yeah, you got it.